A man all of a sudden enters the spotlight in Washington and quietly triggers discomfort in New Delhi. Ranjit Ricky Singh Gill, Indian origin, American official, and now award winner. But the reason for the award is where the story it gets complicated. Who is this Ricky Gill and why is India debating his medal? Let's break it down simply and clearly. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Aturi. So Ricky Gill is not a politician. He is not a diplomat you see on television. He operates behind the scenes. Gill currently serves as a senior director for South and Central Asia at the US National Security Council. Special assistant to the US President Donald Trump. Basically, in simple terms, he works at the nerve center of America's foreign policy. Earlier this particular week, Gill received one of NSC's highest internal honors, the Distinguished Action Award, handed to him by none other than US Secretary of State Marco Rubio. And the citation? His role in India-Pakistan ceasefire negotiation after Operation Sindoor earlier this particular year. Now that single line, ceasefire negotiation, is where the trouble begins, right? Because India's position has been crystal clear here. India has repeatedly said that there is no third-party mediation, no American role, no external broker. Full stop. So when Washington honors an official, specifically an Indian origin official, for exactly that purpose, questions they are exploding. Let's pause and understand why this really matters here. India and Pakistan do not allow mediation on Kashmir-related or military issues, right? This is long-standing red line in Indian diplomacy. Any hint of any foreign intimidation is immediately rejected, publicly and firmly for us. Now enters this award. The American official is being praised internally for helping with India-Pakistan ceasefire. What a joke. That creates two narratives and they both collide. Now in India, the reaction was swift and sharp. Former Foreign Secretary Kanwal Sibal, he called the award puzzling. He questioned how a middle-level NSC official could have played such a role when India has denied any US interference at a presidential level. This message was blunt, by the way. What purpose does this serve? Expect irritating India here. Another voice, it joined the debate. Retired civil servant and geopolitical commentator N.N. Oja asked, is this the US declaring that it supersedes the Modi government's claim that there was no third country's intervention? That question, it hit hard. Social media, as expected, went into overdrive. Some called it American chest thumping. Others, they accused Washington of rewriting the story. Well, one viral comment summed up the anger here. Medals for meddling. Spin dress up as diplomacy. Now here's the important explainer part. Well, what does this reward really mean? It does not automatically mean that the US brokered a ceasefire. It does not prove formal mediation here. In Washington's language, supporting de-escalation can include back-channel communication, crisis monitoring, sharing assessments, and quiet coordination with allies. Things that don't always show up on paper, but perception, that matters in diplomacy. And this award creates a perception problem here because it suggests a role that India says did not exist. So why would the US do this? Well, there are three possible explanations analysts are discussing right now. Internal recognition, awarding an official without considering external optics. Second, narrative signaling, projecting the US relevance into South Asian security. And third, bureaucratic overreach. Washington speaking to itself, not to India here. None of them sits comfortably with New Delhi right now. So, what about Ricky here? Well, by all the records, he's a seasoned political professional. He has worked on South Asia for years. He understands the region's sensitivity here. But what makes this particular moment even more delicate is that it is not about one man. This is about sovereignty, narrative control, and who gets credit in crisis and who gets to define history. India's messages, they remain unchanged. There is no mediation, there is no broker. The ceasefire decision, it was bilateral. Washington's award, however, it tells a parallel story here. And when parallel stories emerge in geopolitics, they don't stay parallel for a long time.